Bailey. I meant to start vlogging earlier, but
No, they're over there though.
no, you can't really see out there. Oh, you can see out there. So we are headed to, where are we headed to?
Las Vegas.
For Bailey's birthday. I've been trying to vlog more, but
Oh, you saw I could vlog for my channel.
At this time, I would like to welcome
but I have a new position as I manage 2 properties now, and it's very hard for me to find the time to vlog because most of my time is spent at work. But anyway, we just went and got some Chick-fil-A. We're waiting. We have a big birthday week planned, right? How old are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be 9.
She's gonna be 9, so we're gonna party hard in Las Vegas.
Yep.
And we have our bags here. And our food, and what, strawberry?
Living the life.
Let me see. I want to see your capsule.
This is my.
You're talking to him on your watch?
Yeah. This is me.
Looks just like you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Mom said hi.
We're coming to see you.
And I don't remember the rest.
So once again,
Oh,
wherever you are,
you were saying you
Thank you.
to Vegas. I have a trip out of there next. Oh, okay.
Are you ready?
Having my sweet time.
So excited.
Last one, there's no one here.
Oh, great.
Thank you, because I can't pick no more videos. Send it to me. I'll send
He's the what, Bailey?
it. The Burger King king.
The double Burger King?
Yep.
Stay there. Your ponytail.
Moses, look. You look like this. Hi.
Story time.
Yes.
So today we went to, well, we were just leaving to go get something to eat. And then we were going to go grocery shopping, and I bought all these groceries. And when I got to checkout, they didn't accept tap. And my card was 20 minutes away.
Yeah, it was the worst. So we're door dashing it.
Not the way. And the camera, we couldn't get his camera, my Mosey. We couldn't get it to work for nothing. We even went downstairs and bought new batteries, and
And we got these suckers.
we did. Mine was a dice, but you could kind of see.
Yeah, you can kind of see mine too. They're fading.
And finally, he fixed it. Look at
This is one of the pictures he took. He has way more, actually.
Well, not way more. I wouldn't say that.
Well, not way more, but a couple more.
So that was day 1. It's like 2 o'clock, and we're still getting it together, if you know what I mean.
Well, by getting it together, waking up, because I'm about to take another nap. Oh my god, I licked this side too much, it's gone.
But we are on vacation, so that's the point. Oh, look, you can see my diet here. See.
Oh, mine had 6 on it. Find the one.
We're going to plug up the PlayStation to the TV so that we can...
What bro doing? Also, I just got done unpacking. Yeah, we're basically just chilling. Who's that behind us? No way.
Moses, he's so cute.
Muzzy.
We're gonna do Meow Wolf or Adventure Dome today, I think. Adventure Dome?
Yeah.
So this is my first time trying these. I thought they were like pads, but I didn't know they were gonna disintegrate and like break down into a liquid. I believe they're Olay, so that kind of tripped me out a little bit. This dude in front of me is trying to get his coupon. Like if he's kids at state. You with me? You with me? So this is the first time I did my hair on the trip. I actually ended up changing it blonde. That's in part 2. I also ended up changing my room because I didn't like neither one of them. But this was cool for what I was doing. I thought you said you were in.
I was in, but then again.
Okay, try. Wait. It shows me what you guys can see out here.
There was an abundance of water resources in the farms, but they have mysteriously disappeared.
Moses, it's your turn, baby. Get on there. Oh, where is it at? This is a 4D ride we're about to get on. Our 4D experience. We're gonna do another 4D experience. They like the virtual reality that we keep doing. I don't even know why I got a wristband. Because I ain't getting on none of this stuff. Experience, there was like strawberry smells. We were getting poked in our back. Moses didn't get poked in his back because Moses.
No, I did.
Oh,
Can I have it? And that's why I was sitting up. Can I get my iPad?
Yeah. You want to play again? Let's play me. You can play against me.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
He's got to get whooped on.
You gonna win?
I was the table tennis. I mean, what is this called?
Are you gonna win?
Yep, I'm gonna win. Hold on, let me turn it around. Hold on, wait. Okay, look. You can't beat me. Oh! I actually hate being on the Ferris wheel, so I'm just gonna act like I'm not on and just talk to you guys.
I thought you loved being on the Ferris.
No, hate it. Hate heights. You like heights?
No, I'm recording. I'm scared of high heights. Also, mom's recording.
Bailey's on her channel. There's characters over there. We should go over there and get a character done. But Bailey won an arm and a leg.
They do.
Woo. When I tell you, listen, I don't do heights.
Me neither. I don't really do heights.
That's why maybe it'd be good for you to have an iPad so you could do stuff like this, you know? I don't mind. I could get you an iPad. I got you a PlayStation 5 for Christmas and I got her an iPad. Well,
Say hi to mom's vlog. Say hi.
I think I just paid to get in here and this is the only thing I'm riding. I know when you guys were little, it seemed like we had way more rides than this. So, also, if I just talk to y'all and I don't look down, then I won't have to worry about. Listen, I don't like being up high. Bailey, basically, she wants to drop her iPad so
No, I
bad.
don't.
You don't?
We were about to drop it.
Mom's saying that my mom's saying that I want to drop my iPad and I don't.
Well, you're fun. You're fun when you do all this. Drop it.
What's been your favorite part of the trip so far?
I can't say. All of it.
All of it's been pretty fun.
Let's see.
Well, when we do Meow Wolf tomorrow for her birthday, do Meow Wolf first. I am hungry. I want to go get some ice cream. I want something sweet.
Ice cream.
Yay! That was fun. Come on, guys. Okay, I'm glad that's over. That was terrifying.
Oh yeah.
Wasn't it?
Mine?
The pink one is yours.
This one.
Moses got what? Blue raspberry. Bailey got cherry, and I got watermelon. Who is that? The birthday brat? Who is that? The birthday brat? Let's see if she knows her name. Hey, birthday brat. Birthday brat. Look up. Told you. Oh, he's stuck in the corner. Okay, I'm trying to make sure that I'm not getting copywritten because they're playing Michael Jackson in the background, but we went into this anime store. I forgot what these stores are called. Bailey keeps reminding me. I think she gets frustrated when I don't call it what it is, but basically it's anime. And they're into that. So they went in there and spent up a bunch of money. My mom gave them $100 each before we left. And, well, Moses was already out here, but they both have $100 each. So they went in here and spent up a bunch of money and got their favorite characters and
Spider Moses. Spider
Please welcome from Brazil.
So these circus events happen once an hour about. Because I'm from Colorado, we were waking up super early and beating everybody there. But these are really dope. Very talented people. We had a ball watching these, and they came free. I mean, I don't think you have to have a room at Circus, but since we did for the first part of the trip, this was really convenient. And, you know, there was no extra charge. It's just you go into Midway and get to see these wonderful performers perform. And Bailey loved it.
We have Kaminari and Deku, but this is Isaac and Midoriya. They're friends.
Let me see.
And Goku
And Goku.
from a different show.
Yeah, he's from
And
a
you got
different
Mario.
He's from it's
You
not
got
a
a
show,
mask.
it's an anime.
Those so
They're not the same thing.
There's different names, but they're actually so just like they're both shows.
Take it
Anyway.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Okay. We are... What are we doing, y'all? You guys, I don't know why I sat here for like 5 hours at a timeshare thing. Because I messed up yesterday. I was in a hurry. I came out of my room and I was just trying to get a charger. I was trying to get something, a comb or something from downstairs. And I let them talk me into going to this timeshare. And I already knew. So then I'm like, you know what? It might be cool to own a timeshare. Let me go. So I paid $50 as a deposit, but then the next day I didn't feel like going. So that's how they get you. So I ended up just going ahead and going to it again. They were super cool. I might do it. I don't know. My blood sugar is low. Now I just sent Nate into Five Below to get... Oh, I forgot to add that Kine popped up on me from Seattle. Her and her dad surprised me at like 1 in the morning. They were like, I'm downstairs. So that was super dope. And thank you to her daddy for flying her out, because I didn't want her to miss this trip. To get food, and then we're going back. So this should be interesting. This has been a long trip. And we still got stuff to do. They just fell out the car. You got a charger? Look, she went and got shoes because I made her switch shoes with me. Oh, these are cute. Let me show you. Because this is... Okay. You see them? These are so cute. And I actually have never really wore these. But listen. All that walking. My feet were on fire, so I have on her Crocs. And she just bought some cute shoes. Birthday girl, how old are you? Come get in the vlog. Moses, in my vlog. In my vlog. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Where's Moses? Love you, Moses. Isn't he a cutie pie? Happy birthday. God damn, there's a short in it. It's gonna say juicing up every 3 seconds. Alright, now we're about to go get some food. And then back to Meow. What is this? Okay. Okay, let's go in here. Oh, okay. So we can have all the tattoo chicken. Yeah, because that's another entrance. Is it closed? I thought you could go in there, no? Oh, it's a fake entrance.
The tiles are good.
Orange Awakening. What is the true essence of butter? Too slime. I told Bailey that this was her birthday cake. Look at it.
Fuck that. Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Do you like this Meow Wolf better than the one at home? Okay, all you guys. What?
Actually, right there just showed a kid that had a flip it over his brain.
Really?
Yeah.
Hard to build trust from the distance. I think we should give it now.
us off.
You're just doing that to me.
Come here.
It's a whole nother place.
Yeah, come here.
Feeling, but now you keep falling.
OMG.
That's a skeleton. That's a skeleton. That is a skeleton. Just leave some up. Can we go there?
I don't know if I could crawl through there.
I'm going.
Don't leave me. You freaks. Oh, look. There's nice glitter. Wait, there's another piece over here. Come here. This way. Those are just the lights. Oh, look how pretty.
Oh, that's pretty. I can step on it. Now that's pretty. But it looks
Yeah,
like
you can
it's
step on it.
cracking. It was turning colors.
Population kept getting smaller.
It was turning colors. Turning colors. Turning colors. We're walking on the
Yeah, this is where we just were on the other side. Answer it. Say hello.
Hello?
Wait for us, Bailey. Put it to your ear. Does it say anything?
No. I can hear noises.
You don't hear anything? Somebody should have been talking. They always be having all these missing posters, yeah.
But that's not tonight's topic. Tonight's show is about how food science has run amok with your personal liberties, about how one corporation is using the foods you eat to change your biological or metaphysical
Pick up the phone.
abilities forever. They say you don't want to know how the sausage gets made, but tonight after dark, we demand to know how the sausage is made. Our guest tonight is an informant who has been on the other side of the food additive invasion. They work in a factory that infuses all Megamart products with a mysterious chemical additive S. This chemical can have alarming effects on your body and soul when consumed in large doses. What's more, Megamart likes it that way. Informant, are you there?
Can you go through here? You can. Oh my god, oh my god.
Safe place.
Oh, it goes out to the, it goes back out to the, huh?
What can you tell us about your job at Megamart?
More letters. That goes back out to the, let's see what else is down here first before we go back out there.
Mother, mom. What's coming from that ceiling? You gave me the creepy.
Let's go, let's look down here before we go up.
Yeah, you said. Wait, come on. It's a room.
There's always missing people in Meow Wolves. Yeah, nice little. Tinae, what if you look on here and you got a picture up here that says missing?
There's a tunnel.
I know, right?
Oh, there's no tunnel.
Are you gonna cry?
Aww.
So creepy.
What is that? There's a snake in there. There's a snake in there.
Go in there.
No! There's a snake in there. I think this was the
Go in there, Nick.
kitties. Wait. She's getting stitched.
Abandoned places.
Here. Come out. It's like a whole
Oh, Polaroid.
Go in there. Log in. No, what? Yes. There's a whole rock climbing in here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Can you climb?
What the heck? What the heck?
How far up did you climb?
two rocks. That's it.
You recorded it?
Kinda.
Let me hold this.
I don't know if it was good. It might not have been good, but.
Need to do this. Need to follow my dreams, literally. I love you, Jessie. Take care of everyone at home for me.
Tell my mom I'm okay and that I forgive her. Marie.
Little spikes on this
Missing
little
person.
guy.
Missing person?
How far up does that rock climbing go when you go in there?
Oh my
It goes
god.
all the way up. I think it's that floor.
I see pictures. I want to see pictures.
Hold on, baby. Wait a second. Oh, yeah. Wow.
What the heck? Missing person? Missing. Mom, I need a flashlight. Missing. Mom, that's the girl who wrote the letter.
Yep, it's the same missing person that we keep seeing everywhere.
Missing.
So I don't live at Earth, at least. Not what you think of when you think Earth. I live in the fourth Earth, where there are aliens and wills, magic energy, and everything is magic. But like the crappy kind.
On the computer, it says she got taken by the fork or something. Maybe the fork is like an alien, is like a secret code for aliens.
Here's a salt lamp.
Oh my god, look! It's her and her mom. Oh my god! It says she got taken suspiciously, like she went missing suspiciously.
Really?
Like nobody.
Oh look,
like,
all these are glittery walls.
So suspiciously, it's like she was behind you, like a second, and then you look, she's not there
Yep,
anymore. Oh my god.
that is what that means.
She got taken by the aliens. She got taken by the aliens. Okay, please don't touch me now. Thank you. Why is this feathers on me?
Is that soft? Sit on it.
Guys, come on. Well, it's cushions.
Hold on, stay here. Stay with us, Moses. Oh, I was trying to get a shot at you. Wait, come here. Come get a little shot.
Mom, there's weird noises coming from there. There's weird noises coming from in there. It was like this.
Even though it's stuff I didn't do it, even though I get scary movies.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Lundo.
Flowers. They're not just flowers. They're not just flowers. They're not just flowers.
This is going back into the. Okay, so come on. I don't think you got wet.
Yes, I did. I felt something wet right here. Oh my god! What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the hecky? What the hecky? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? I'm getting the creeps. I'm getting the creeps. Get out, please. Somebody's freaking out. Wait, Mom. Look.
Go in there. That's just going back to the store.
Why isn't the ground feel so?
Come on. Come back.
Yeah, come on, it's going back to the store, man. Let me out. Ew.
I got wet.
No.
Right.
Why these stairs so weird?
Okay, dude. No. Why are the weird? You're so weird.
Like, who made these things?
Oh my god.
It's like
And it's also like gravity.
physics defying, yeah. Stairs.
Oh my god. I need a break.
It's hard to get up here.
Ah. Can you tell what these stairs are?
Climbing was easy.
They're like super extremely steep.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that was
walking
easy.
straight up.
Hold on, wait for me.
Come
Girl, it's like extra gravity or something.
on. Oh my god.
Please watch your step. Oh, it's beautiful in here. Huh?
There's an eye in there. There's an eye in there. There's an eye in there. This way.
Uh-oh, seizure time. Swear I'm waiting for somebody to...
Go in.
Go in.
What's in there?
I don't know. It's dark.
Go see.
Then you go in and you just fall. Nothing. Look, I'm all not coming in all the way.
Okay, look out. I don't like this. I don't like this.
It like takes a picture.
Whoa.
Did it?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, no.
Nuh-uh.
See?
Okay, let's go back in.
Come on. Oh my God.
Oh, I see me. Okay, wait. Why did it keep speeding up like that? Like it knew. Ooh, that was kind of jacked. Come here, Bailey. Stay close.
Such as tripping hazards, misplaced customers, and equipment failure.
Somebody just went in there. Oh, is it?
Don't try to clean it. For a difficult spin, the colors decrease. The color itself.
Sit.
If we go back there, let's check the floor.
Okay, open it.
Oh my God! Kine!
Come on.
Okay, Kine. Next time we go back there and the items that they are at, let's check the floor. Oh my God, what the heck? Wake up.
It's a difficult trip.
Beautiful.
Is that what they were saying?
Yep. Yeah, let me try. It's a
Oh, he's
rope
cute.
I'm gonna name him Mr. Sands.
Is it cozy?
It's so cozy.
Oh. Huh. Take a load off.
Alright, I'm gonna dial his number. Let's do 444.
Pick it up. Someone's going to talk. They're going to be like, happy birthday, Bailey.
We're able to dial the missing number. I mean, there's a number on the missing poster. We called it, and it actually worked.
I know.
Talking.
It was stars.
You gotta get the hit. You gotta get the hit.
Every time you look at me, you be like, are you picking up what she's putting down? Come on. Straight across where it says internet.
People drink out of these. People drink out of these. That's awful.
I don't know if he's blowing up the cat or not.
Oh my God, what the heck? Inhale song. I'm in Market.
Are you tired in general?
Well tried 404. Chocolate
Stop
dot
putting your
JK.
iPad down. Pick it up.
Unlike regular
If you
chocolate,
put it down again, it's
404
mine.
chocolate is a rich milk sensation. Your taste buds are gonna feel this. 404 chocolate dot JPEG. Install the flavor.
My back.
Yo, it's shaking behind me. Oh my god.
We've been in here already.
No, we haven't. No, we haven't.
You make me a little.
Look, and then there's this and that. There's 2 rooms. This one and that one. On the roof.
Look, I can touch the ceiling.
There's a seat.
Is this the first time you ever been able to touch it?
That's all. Are we upside down?
Why did you stay on it?
You made it stop?
No, it's just slowing down. Oh my god! I'm in danger. Let's go. Ah! Oh my god!
What was that noise you made?
What happened? What happened? Moses, what happened?
What did you do?
Guys, I found the entrance!
We already been in there.
Oh, we already been here. No, not this one.
Uh-huh.
Come on.
You could go in there and go. I'll show you. We went in here. See?
The other way.
I know, we came in through here. Yep. Come on. Oh, look at these sodas. Ugh. This is Jack's.
Ew! What the heck? This one breathes!
Let's do it again.
Ew, I don't like that one.
There's no such thing as a bad apple. Oh, roach clips. Oh, look, a little shirt for Nate. That's so cute.
Natural.
There's the aisle. Don't step on it.
Avoid the solution for everything. Oh, this is like a little Slurpee zone.
I wouldn't eat anything in this place.
We already been in there.
That's not a passageway. They're carrying something. What is that? I always saw this.
Look at you. You sleepy?
My eyes is itchy. Yeah. But we've been up there before.
I swear this changed since Berlin. I just went out there. I think people are on it.
I want to see how they come down.
They're gonna fly down and smack.
And when we were talking, I felt like I had the power.
Did you?
Yes.
We just went and got Bailey a birthday cake.
It's called Meow.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun last night. We got on her pajamas and her Jordans. We haven't showered yet for the day.
When we get into the house, we put cake in here. Which? Ta-da! Would you like some frosting? I'm bringing you some frosting. Bringing you some frosting.
From your finger?
Yeah.
I'd rather, oh!
That's good. Clock it.
Would you like some frosting?
I'd like you to cut that cake. Cut that cake. Cut that cake.